How to unsuspend TikTok account. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. At the bottom, you will find different options. Head towards the option of profile. Once you land to your profile page, at the top right corner, you will find 3 bars. Click on it. Now head towards the option of settings and privacy. Now over here, you will find different sections. Scroll all the way down. Under support and about, you will find the option of report a problem. Open it. Now scroll down. You will find this option of submit a report at the very bottom. Click on it. With that, you will land to this kind of interface. Now over here, you have to explain about your issue. Include that your account has been suspended and you want to unsuspend it. Once you explain about your issue, you can submit it. Now TikTok support team will get back to you within few hours, and with that your problem will be resolved. So this way you can easily unsuspend TikTok account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.